गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास 10th के चैप्टर नंबर 4 कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, उसके बहुत ही बेस्ट नोट्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। कार्बन कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट whose atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2,4. Hence its number of valence electrons are 4 and its valency is 4. Carbon can form covalent bonding. They self-combine to form large number of carbon compounds. Carbon can occur in combined state, for example in carbonates, as well as in free state in diamond and graphite. Covalent bond. When two elements share their electrons to become stable is called covalent bonding. It is of three types: single bond, double bond and triple bond. When the sharing of 1 electrons, it forms single bond. If it is shares 2 electrons, they form double bond, and so on. Various structures. For single bond, hydrogen molecule, figure is shown. For double bond, oxygen molecule, figure is shown. For triple bond, nitrogen molecule, nitrogen, figure is shown. Organic compounds. The compounds of carbon are known as organic compounds. They have low melting and boiling point. They are non-conductor of electricity. Carbon chain. Carbon combines with each other and linked by making different structures arrangement, such as straight chain structure, branch chain structure, and closed chain structure. When carbon linked in straight line, it forms straight chain structure, and when it links branch-like structure, it is called branch chain, and if it is in closed structure, it is called cyclic or closed chain. Figure, straight chain figure. This is the figure for branch chain and this is the figure for closed or cyclic chain. Types of organic compound. Various types of organic compounds are hydrocarbon, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones or carboxylic acid, etc. Hydrocarbon. The compound formed by hydrogen and carbon only is called hydrocarbon. There are two types of hydrocarbon: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbon. When carbon atoms are connected by only single bond, it is called saturated hydrocarbon. For example, all alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. When carbon atoms are connected by double or triple bond, it is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. For example, alkenes and alkynes. Prefix of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom 1. Prefix will be made 2 air, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. Alkane group. When the carbon are linked by single bond, it forms alkane group. Its general formula is CnH2n+2. When n is the number of carbon atoms, the suffix of this group is ane. For example, methane, ethane, propane, and so on. Alkene group. When two atoms of carbon are linked by double bond, it forms alkene group. Its general formula is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms. The suffix of this group is ene. For example, ethene, propene, butene, so on. Alkyne group. When two carbon atoms are linked by a triple bond, it is formed alkyne group. Its general formula is CnH2n-2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Its suffix is "-ine". For example, ethyne, propyne, butane, and so on. Alkyl group. The group formed by removing one hydrogen atom from alkane molecule is called alkyl group. For example, CH3- for methyl group. Cyclic hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon in which carbon atom is arranged in a ring is called cyclic hydrocarbon. The ring in which only single bond is present is called saturated cyclic hydrocarbon, whereas if there is double and triple bond in present is called unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. For example, cyclohexane, C6H12 saturated, and benzene, C6H6 unsaturated. Isomers. The organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structure are known as isomers. Functional group. Halo or halogen group, denoted by X, can be chlorine, bromine, or iodine. For chlorine, chloro, bromine, bromo, and iodine, iodo. Alcohol group. OH. Suffix is all, for example, methanol. Aldehyde group. CHO. Suffix al. Example, methanol, ethanol. Ketone group. double bond C double bond O. Suffix is on, for example, propanone, butanen. Carboxylic acid group. Symbol is COOH. Suffix is oic acid. For example, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid. Coal and petroleum. When a fuel is burned, the energy is released mainly as heat. Main fuel are coal and petroleum are called fossil fuel. How coal was formed? Coal was formed by decomposition of large land plants and trees buried under the earth millions of years ago. How petroleum is formed? Petroleum oil were formed by the decomposition of the remains of extremely small plants and animals buried under the sea millions of years ago. Note: all the gaseous fuel burn with a flame, but only those solid and liquid fuels which vaporize on heating burns with a flame. Ethanol. It is the second member of homogeneous series of alcohol. The formula of is C2H5OH. The common name of ethanol is ethyl alcohol. Physical properties of ethanol. It is colorless, having pleasant smell. It is a natural compound. Chemical properties of ethanol. Combustion. C2H5OH plus 3O2 gives us 2CO2 plus 3H2O plus heat plus light. Oxidation. C2H5OH reacts with oxygen gives us CH3COOH, ethanoic acid plus water H2O. Reaction with sodium metal. C2H5OH plus 2Na gives us 2 times C2H5O Na plus H2, sodium ethoxide. Dehydration. C2H5OH dehydrates and gives ethene CH211CH2 plus H2O. Reaction with ethanoic acid, that is ester, forms. CH3COH plus C2H5OH gives us CH3COO C2H5 plus water H2O. The reaction in which a carboxylic acid combines with an alcohol to form an ester is called esterification. Uses of ethanol. It is used in manufacturing of paints, varnish, dyes, soaps, etc. It is used as solvent. It is used in medicines such as iodine and cough syrup. It is used as antiseptic in hospitals. Note: heavy drinking of alcohol for long period is harmful for health and it is very dangerous. It will cause permanent blindness in a person. Ethanoic acid. The formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COH. Its common name is acetic acid. Physical property of ethanoic acid. It is colorless, having sour taste. Boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degrees Celsius. Ethanoic acid is miscible with water in all proportion. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. It is acidic in nature. Reaction with sodium carbonate shown in. Reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate shown. Reaction with sodium hydroxide. Reaction with alcohol. Formation of esters. Reaction is shown. Uses of ethanoic acid. It is used as food preservatives. It is used to make cellulose. It is used to make acetone. Used in the preparation of dyes, plastics, etc. Soap. A soap is a sodium salt of a long chain carboxylic acid which has cleansing properties in water. Manufacture of soap. Soap is made by heating animal fat or vegetable oil with concentration sodium hydroxide solution. This process is called saponification. That is, fat or oil reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives soap and glycerol. Structure of soap molecule. Hydrocarbon part of the soap molecule is soluble in oil or grease, so it can attach to the oil and grease particles present on dirty clothes, and ionic part is attached to the water particles and remove the dirty. Micelle. A spherical molecules in the soap solution in water is called a micelle. Limitations of soap. When soap is used in hard water, large amount of soap is wasted. The scum formed by the action of hard water on soap. The formation of foam, jhag, is necessary for removing dirt from clothes during the washing of clothes. Detergent. Detergent is the sodium salt of a long chain benzene sulfonic acid, which has cleansing property in water like soap. The cleansing action of detergent is similar to that of soap. Benefits of detergent. Detergent can also be used in hard water. Detergents are more soluble. Detergents have high cleansing action in comparison to soaps. Demerits of detergent. Detergents are not biodegradable, that is, they cannot be decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria and hence cause water pollution in lake, etc. That's all in this video.